Well, then say blam them go over Perttidon yard. I don't know. And draw a gun pan Perttidon. Well, me have to zone out. Me not bother go live today again. Every time I go live, say me I go beg. War over there. Last week was Rose, this week is Perttidon and blam them. We no can't give you a time for beg. One does a war so. Well, this a rice and peas. You know, look three bad. Look a curry chicken. Look a brown stew turkey neck. And look a yam and sweet potato salad. And look a Kool-Aid me have mixed with syrup. I don't know what I'm telling you now. I'm just there go eat little food and easy myself. If anything at tomorrow phone will swim back again. Cause anytime I worry, I have to just sit down and just watch them, you know. But if blam them go over Perttidon yard now, him wrong. I'm draw a gun. Allegedly. And if Perttidon a tell lie, you're too wicked Perttidon. And if blam them a tell lie, you're wicked blam them. And if it wanna pranky people, you wicked again to blood clot. But me there eat some food and easy myself and watch what I wanna do with. Cause make sure on a music video this one Nicki Minaj and wanna orchestrate, you know. Cause we got this one, you know. But I'm there waste me sympathy pan you know Dan. Blam them you go over there go draw a gun pan Dan. So Dan never having gun pan him. Happy Sunday everybody.